Hi, welcome back to part 6. So really, you don't want to bend this over too much. When you kind of got it somewhat lined up, you really just want to take your thumb and just kind of push it down. Because if you try pushing and pulling it, it's not going to line up. So, little tip, once you get it right over the two little slots to tab it into, take your thumb and just go, just squish it. And it should line in place. Now, if I understand, just cover up these two little things, which are just kind of line in place here a little bit, which they really don't want to, but that's kind of what it does. And now Tread does have little wheels here, 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 and here. Let's see if we get the can to focus better. There we go. So here, 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 and here, he has the little wheels. He can roll a little bit. Now, you can kind of stick Sky onto Tread this way. And let me kind of pull it to the side a little bit. But nothing that really stays on, nothing that's really a tight connection, because, you know, they're just kind of sit on top of each other. And if you don't line up right, you kind of have that going on. So it's kind of like that. Now the same for a Tread. You want to take the big gun and you just want to put it up front here. Which actually looks great on Tread. And take the little gun and put it on the side. Because the big gun really makes the whole tank mode kind of put together. Like I said, for this one, you could put this on top. I would say probably put it underneath on Sky. And by doing like this, kind of going a little off direction, it actually looks pretty cool. Long barrel, which obviously makes the tank for a Tread. And this little tiny gun underneath Sky. So you kind of have like a Sky attack and a ground attack. Just like what I said with the Battle Trap. Where you had, I think it was like Road something and Sky Chopper. You know, where it was like the two parts that should have been sold together like this, but instead they made you buy them completely separately. Where it's like Battle something was separately and Trap something was separately. And together they form Battle Trap. Don't know why they didn't go with something like this. Put Battle and Trap together in one complete box, so then, you know, you could count them as the combined Battle Trap. No, that was a stupid move on Hasbro, because if you had one, you didn't have the other, and you couldn't build a full combiner. You know, that was kind of the ideal, because they're kind of parts. Like, one was the upper top part, which had the combiner kind of head and upper torso. The other had the legs, feet, you know, and the lower torso, the waist,